So I just wanted to ask about your experience buying and selling a home with the Nancy Kowalik team, specifically Beth. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, we had a great experience.
Terrific. That was awesome. Selling our house and finding the great house that we have.
And we have bought and sold other houses with other agents before, and Beth just anticipated, and every time I would ask her a question, because they tend to be really type A, she would already have done it. She would be 10 steps ahead. She's a complete problem solver. We bought a property that was really complicated and had a lot of twists and turns. The deal fell apart several times, and she was super creative in helping us keep it on track and getting it done. So we couldn't be more excited.
That's why we're here today.
Yeah.
Excellent. Well, congratulations on on both the buying and the selling, and thank you for trusting us with your business. It's very special to us.
Absolutely. We would recommend you
we
guys
recommend
to
to
anybody.
Absolutely. For
Excellent.
sure.
Awesome. Thank you again so much.
You
Thank
bet.
you.
Bye.